Hello, my name is Maria Cristanti Ahinde. On this project for my Bio 3 class, I will do chemistry experiments on pH of household items with cabbage juice as an indicator. My project is to find out and do test the pH of various household solution and to answer the question, is bleach an acid or a base? Have you ever wondered whether a certain food or chemical around the house is an acid or a base? In this experiment, I will use a red cabbage to make as an indicator solution. When two or more ingredients are entirely dissolved in one another, you have a solution. For example, mixing salt with water creates a clear solution, even though the salt is there and the solution tastes salty. When mixed with water, whether a chemical donates a charged particle called an ion to the solution. In this case, a hydrogen ion or saps one from it determines whether it's an acid or basic solution. An indicator changes color when exposed to such a mixture, depending on whether the solution is acid or basic. Acids are solutions that lose hydrogen ions and usually taste sour. Some very common household solutions are acids, such as citrus fruit juices and household vinegar. Bases are solutions that pull hydrogen ions out of solution and onto themselves, accepting them, and usually feel slippery. Bases have many practical uses. For example, antacids like Tums are used to reduce the acidity in your stomach. Other bases make useful household cleaning products. To tell if something is an acid or a base, you can use a chemical called an indicator. An indicator changes color when it is in contrast an acid or base. There are many different types of indicators, some that are liquids and others that are concentrated on little strips of litmus paper. Indicators can be extracted from many different sources, including the pigment of many plants. For example, red cabbage contain an indicator pigment molecule called flavin, which is a type of molecule called an anthocyanin. Very acidic solutions will turn an anthocyanin red, whereas neutral solutions will make it purplish, and basic solution will turn it greenish yellow. Consequently, the color an anthocyanin solution turn can be used to determine a solution's pH, a measure of how basic or acidic a solution is. So on this project, I'm using small red cabbage, blender or food processor, strainer, tablespoon measure, lemon juice, vinegar, purified drinking water, alkaline water, bleach, color liquid, and other household items, the one that I use to test, like detergent, baby soap, shampoo, intimate soap, Clorox powder, bleach, sparkling iced tea. So I start my project by preparing my indicator, which is the cabbage. I cut half cabbage and chop it. And I put it on blender or food processor. Add water until cover the cabbage and I blend it until you see all blend it together. And then I place the strainer over another large bowl or pot and pour the cabbage mixture through the strainer to remove the cabbage pulp. Press down on the pulp in the strainer, such as by using a large spoon to squeeze more liquid out of the pulp. Now in the bowl, I have only purple liquid in color. This will be my indicator solution, which I will use to test the pH of different liquids. So for this project, I prepared 16 cups, where one of it's going to be my indicator solution. And the other 15 cups, I place several liquids, which are lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, sparkling iced tea lemonade, intimate wash, Nexus shampoo, baby soap, Coffee Mate lactose-free, the purified drinking water, alkaline water, Tide detergent, Dr. Brown's pure castor soap, baking soda, bleach powder, and bleach Clorox liquid. So first, I was adding the lemon juice to indicate the solution until you see the solution change in color. And ta-da! It's red color as well as the orange juice. The vinegar is kind of, I do the same thing with the vinegar and colors that already pinkish. And I do all this, the same steps with other liquid like sparkling tea lemonade, intimate wash, the shampoo, baby soap, the coffee mate, the purified water and alkaline water, the detergent, Dr. Brunner castor soap, baking soda, bleach powder, and bleach Clorox liquids. Ta-da! This is the result. You can see how the color is from the acid to the base. Where start with the red, start pinkish, purplish, and then come to blues, and then you see how the Clorox is the basis one. And I was curious with the baby soap, and it's true, it has the pH balance there. So it's the purple is close to the indicator color. So the bottles was correct. It said baby soap is pH balance. Though I was worried with Dr. Brunner castor soap because it's more to the blue. Is it safe for my skin or not? But it said it's good for our skin. And the shampoo, it's correct, as in bottle said it's pH balance, so it's the color is also close to the indicator. Ta-da! So here are all 16 cups that I made on experiments. Start with lemon juice, end it with the Clorox, the liquid Clorox. You can see all the different colors here. So all is, you can see red, start pinkish, purplish, light purple, come all the way to the indicator itself, which is purple, and then start more to the changes the color to blues, and then finally to that liquid Clorox. I mean the bleach. So for my curiosity, I tasted the purified drinking water and alkaline water. It said on the label that the alkaline water pH 9.5 plus. But the result is showing the similar color. So means, are they the same? I paid more for the alkaline water than the purified drinking water. Should I stop buying alkaline water? What do you think? So as observation and result, did the indicator solution change color when you add the lime or lemon juice, vinegar, and bleach? Did the solution color indicate the lime or lemon juice and vinegar were acidic, had a lower pH, and that the bleach was basic with a higher pH? A solution with a pH between 5 and 7 is neutral. 8 or higher is a base, and 4 or lower is an acid. Lime juice, lemon juice, and vinegar are acid, so they should have turned the indicator solution red or purple color. Bleach is strong base, therefore it should have turned the indicator solution a greenish yellow order. In my experiment, it's even close to white color. How basic or acidic a solution is depends on the amount of hydrogen ions in it. A basic solution accepts hydrogen ions or donates electron pairs as hydroxide ions, whereas an acidic solution donates hydrogen ions or accept electron pairs. An indicator like anthocyanin responds to the levels of hydrogen ions in the solution. Anthocyanin and other biological pigments absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others, and it is the reflected light we see that makes them appear a certain color. Depending on the levels of hydrogen ions in the solution, the indicator pigment undergoes a chemical reaction that changes its chemical structure, making it reflect a different wavelength of light and thereby change color. So, as a conclusion, based on my project, I found out that bleach is a base. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Again, thank you so much.